Hi guys, I'm Rob Steadman, yacht broker for Berthon International. You might be able to tell I'm in Corfu, Greece. Absolutely stunning, and I'm here to show you this equally stunning Pearl 62. She's called Bahari. She was built in 2020. We have known her since the first day she was launched, and she has always been skipper maintained, and she is in absolute pristine condition. Those that don't know the Pearl 62, she won Motorboat of the Year award in 2020. She's got 4 double cabins on board, including a private entrance to the master cabin, which is full beam with full height windows. And then they have this jet ski garage here as well, so you can not only run with a tender, you can run with a jet ski, or you can use it for paddleboards, etc. Works really well. People really like the boats and use them a lot. This one's going to be sold with transferable warranty, so that will run until June 2025. But yeah, we're here in Corfu, Greece. The berth is also possibly available. Just to give you a little bit of background, Corfu is fantastic. It's got great marina facilities, lots of good restaurants. Obviously the airport's really easy to get to. And yeah, in terms of cruising destinations, you're absolutely spoilt for choice. You've got Montenegro, Croatia all on your doorstep, and that's before we even start talking about the Greek islands. So lots to do, lots to see. Bahari is available. A berth out here is also going to cost you about £12,000 per annum, which when you compare that to the Balearics, which would be nearly double, you can see why people are starting to bring their boats here. I'm going to take you on board and show you around. Welcome to this walkthrough tour of Bahari. Built in 2020, she is a hugely specified example of the award-winning Pearl 62. She's in great condition, professionally maintained, and has low running hours. And we've known this boat from day one, and she is a fantastic example. So on the bathing platform, we have a Surmarine ST310 tender. The owner bought her this year from the UK dealer. She has a Yamaha 20 horsepower engine, so plenty of power, electric start, and she's sitting on a hydraulic bathing platform that moves out sideways before lowering. And the reason this is important is that you can still access the garage without launching the tender. So the garage will open up, and in there you can either stow a Sea-Doo jet ski, which you can run with the Williams, or you can just use it as storage, which works really well. Now, one of the things you'll notice when on board the Pearl 62 is the space. It's been very cleverly designed, and it has a beam of 5.3 metres, so you're getting a lot of boat for your money. You can see this dining table comfortably seats 8 people. There's an electric window that drops down, and you've got these bifold doors. Just opens the whole boat up. It means that dining table is well serviced by the galley. One of the things you'll notice is there's lots of storage on board, so our clients tend to spend long periods on board. This owner's used her the last 3 months. That's why he's fitted a Starlink Wi-Fi system, so you can still work from here. So it really is a home from home. It's got all the amenities you need. This one's got a dishwasher. It's got a full height fridge and freezer. Oven, can be a microwave, and also we've got a 4-burner hob. Cutlery drawer, it's good, these soft closing drawers add to the level of quality and detail on the boat. And this is the private entrance to the master cabin. This has got to be one of the best master cabins in class. Full beam, huge windows, continue that connectivity with the water. Got this nice little area to pull out a laptop if needed. You've got power there. huge king size bed that you can get to from both sides. This boat has got air conditioning on board, got 2 big chiller units from Dometic that also do heating. This is the ensuite. We've got electric head, got a rainfall shower, good size. It's even got cupboard space. Lots of lighting options as well. Got full height wardrobes, both port and starboard. You'll see lots of little lockers and drawers throughout this cabin. There you can see we've got a washer dryer. We also have a safe in there. So that's one of 4 cabins, all of which are doubles. Have to appreciate the glasswork on board, which is mirrored externally and gives incredible light and a feeling of openness, which you just don't normally get on flybridge boats. It's a very social space. It's a very homely place to be. This is actually Kelly Hoppen's modern interior, so it's the lighter one that she does. There's 2 other options, but this has been very popular and I think you can see why. You really have to come on board to get this sense of space. There's a lot of headroom everywhere you are. And every cabin, including this VIP, feels very spacious indeed. You wouldn't be ashamed to put your guests in here. Again, lots of storage. Each cabin's got its own TV. This one's behind the mirror. Infusion sound system. Very comfortable, lots of light again. Also with ensuite. Rainfall shower. Below here we've actually got a Seakeeper 9 gyro stabilizer, so that will work with the Volvo interceptors to keep us stable underway, and then when at anchor the Seakeeper will keep us completely still. It's right in the centre of the boat. Now these twins will convert into doubles. All of the paintings and the bed covers and the plants and the features that you see around are Kelly Hoppen's accessories. These will be sold with the boat and were an option from new. And lots of natural light coming through from that extended windscreen. So on the helm, we're running on Volvo Penta's IPS. We've actually got the dynamic positioning system on board, so that's where it will keep itself on a certain geographical location on the coordinates. And we've got Garmin navigation, we've got a bow thruster, we've actually got a forward-facing sonar, we've got radar, we've got AIS, we've got everything you need to go and explore.
This boat has now done 304 hours, so she's very much in her infancy. She has always been serviced. So the side door, which was an option, gives you easy access to this foredeck. Got a fold-out table, sun lounging space, pop-up lights. We've actually got a bimini that can go in here, so we've got 4 carbon poles that will attach the bimini to. This is a Delta stainless anchor, plenty of chain. Again, of course, we've got the fusion system here as well. So these lockers run right underneath the seats, really good space. We've got space to put our fenders in the anchor locker. The nice wide side decks. These boats are built in the Far East and you can get very, very impressive stainless on board. Super solid. And we'll head up on the flybridge. So you'll see we've got teak throughout with the grey caulking, which is really nice and cool on your feet. Exterior lighting throughout. And this is a great space for entertaining. Really made the most of the flybridge overhang, and this is where you're going to spend a lot of your time. Super views from up here. That's where the Starlink system is and the radar. Lots of seating. It slides forward so you can actually put your feet up while you're cruising along. This boat comfortably cruises at 24 knots. It's super quiet. IPS, that's one of the big pluses for me. It's just how quiet it is. You're only going to hear the hull going through the water, but it's also 15% more efficient. Top speed's going to be 30 knots around there, which you'll be on the plane at 15 knots. It's a very nice hull to drive. That is a chain counter, and of course everything's repeated from downstairs to up here. We have this electric bimini so we can bring the sunshine in. And then this wet bar off to starboard, everything you'd expect. We've got barbecue, ice maker, fridge. And we've got Pal Zone drinks cool box, which is plenty of space. Brilliant spot for entertaining your guests. Could easily have a good sized party up there. then access down into the engine room. Again, you've got good head height down here, considering we've got the garage mould that you can see above the engines there. And the engines are Volvo Pentas, they're D13s, so they're 900 horsepower side, super reliable. Like I said, they've only done 300 hours, they've always been professionally maintained. We've got a Kohler generator in the corner there, that's a 20 kilowatt, so you've got plenty of power. We've got all our switching here, super easy to see if something's tripped. And then the owner had this watermaker installed this year. Obviously with it now being in Greece, that's an important piece of kit. And as standard Pearl Fit AGM batteries. So with the inverter, you've actually got 7 hours of running time for the Seakeeper without a generator on. So there's plenty of power there. This is where the IPS, this is the secret to how quiet the boat is. No vibration, all the gearbox exhausts are underneath. Everything's housed there, right far back. That's the Glendon cable master, so that's for your bringing in and out your shore power. Got hot water, passerelle of course, battery charger inverter, and that's a hose that we don't often see. For swilling out the bilge it's useful. There's even a torch there that comes as standard. So Bahari, she's still under warranty. She's turnkey ready. She's in fully good working order. She's in the perfect place for you to come and pick her up in Gouvier Marina. Whether you turn left or right, you're going to have a great adventure. Or if you want to stay in Gouvier, there's an opportunity to take on this berth. I hope you enjoyed the tour and look forward to speaking with you soon.